Hi and welcome in today's new video. Today we're making a summer recipe. We're making a potato salad without potatoes, low in carb and high in protein. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. To make this salad low carb, we're using daikon. Daikon is like a Chinese radish. You can find this on Chinese stores. Even at some Whole Food they hold them. So this is the queen of the show. It's low carb, it's mostly watery. When it's raw it tastes like a regular radicchio, but when it's cooked it has the same taste and the same texture as potato. So this is why this one's gonna be the potato substitute, sorry. And to make it high protein I will be using a little bit of yogurt. I use whole milk yogurt. It's not Greek yogurt, so it's lower in protein than Greek yogurt, but you can use Greek yogurt as well. And we're having some tuna. This simple can of tuna has 33 grams of protein, so this is gonna be your main source of protein for today. So let's start this yummy salad. And it's summer, so it's time to enjoy. It's the tuna and the daikon. I'm also adding more vegetables, so we're having celery, onions and half of a cucumber that I found in my fridge. Before we start this recipe, we need to steam or just boil the daikon. So I start to peel it off and I'm gonna cut the edges, and I want to cut them into cube shapes. So I will first start by cutting them in the lengthen, and then I'm just gonna cut them at the horizontal. Make sure I have a nice cube, looks just like I'm cutting a potato. And once it's done, it looks just like this. So now I take a pan, and in my pan I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. I will put my steamer on top, and I put it a cube cut daikon. And then I'm gonna cover and I will let it steam for 10-15 minutes. So please don't let it steam too long, because after it's overcooked and it tastes really watery. So now it's time to chop my vegetables. So I'm start by chopping my celery. I chop them pretty small, and then I will put it into a bowl. And then it's time to cut my cucumber. I'm cutting the same as the celery, pretty small. Looks like they're diced. And then it's time to cut my onions. I cut my onions pretty thinly, and then I add everything into a boil. So once all my veggies are chopped and in a bowl, I add my steamed daikons on top of it. And now it's time to open my can of tuna. Then I'm gonna add my can of tuna into the vegetables. And I just realized that my bowl was too small, so I put everything into a bigger bowl. It will be easier for me to mix. Then I mixed everything well. In a small bowl I had 2 spoons of full fat yogurt. I add around 1 tablespoon of mustard, some herb de Provence, salt and some pepper. Then I mix everything well to combine my sauce that I just made. And then I put the sauce into the vegetables. And then it's gonna be the last things to do. It's to combine the sauce with the veggies and the tunas all together. If I need, I will add more salt or pepper, but it was fine. But at the end, always try and make sure you get enough seasonings. And then once I mixed everything well together, I just pour it into a different plate, and that's it. The recipe is done and my low carb salad is ready to be enjoyed. If you guys did like and enjoy this potato salad without potato, which is low carb, high protein, as always, I always make sure I give you the best recipe to make your life easy in order to build muscle and lose fat. I hope you guys gonna like and subscribe. I have a lot of recipes that are coming, so guys, remember to subscribe, like, and you can also follow me on Instagram and check in the description box below. I got everything that I use in that recipe, and you got also my ebooks. I also have a free guide to show you how to build a healthy plate, so you guys should look and check up. I will see you again for a next video. Bye.